Welcome to the Digital Assets Masterclass. This course is designed to help you understand digital assets from the ground up, without hype and without pressure. In this first module, we're laying the foundation. You'll learn what digital assets are, why crypto exists, what blockchain means, and how decentralized systems work. A digital asset is anything of value that exists in digital form. This includes cryptocurrencies, tokens, NFTs, and other forms of digital ownership. Just like land or cash has value in the physical world, digital assets hold value in the digital world. Digital assets are things of value that exist only in digital form. They live on the internet, not in physical form like cash or land. Examples include cryptocurrencies like USDT and SOL, NFTs, and tokens used in apps and games. You can own, send, or trade digital assets using a phone and a wallet. Simply put, digital assets are online assets that have real value and can be owned and transferred digitally. Digital value didn't start with crypto. Most of the money you use today already exists digitally, in banks and mobile money systems. Crypto simply stores value in a new way. Value has evolved over time. We started with barter, then physical money like coins and cash. Later came bank money and mobile money, where value became digital but controlled by companies. Today, digital value has evolved again into blockchain-based assets like cryptocurrencies and tokens. This allows people to own and transfer value directly, without middlemen. Digital value evolution is the journey from physical money to fully digital, user-controlled value. Cryptocurrency exists to solve real problems: slow payments, high fees, financial exclusion, and heavy reliance on intermediaries. It offers an alternative way to move and store value globally. Crypto exists because moving money is still difficult for many people, especially in Africa. Banks can be slow, charge high fees, and sometimes limit who can send or receive money. Many people don't even have access to banks at all. Cryptocurrency allows people to send money directly to each other using just a phone and the internet, without a bank in between. It works 24/7, across borders, and gives people more control over their own money. Blockchain is a public digital record book. Instead of one authority controlling data, many computers verify and store the same information. This makes the system transparent and secure. Blockchain is like a public record book on the internet. Every time someone sends or receives crypto, the record is written in this book and cannot be changed. Instead of one company controlling the record, many computers around the world keep the same copy. This makes it transparent and secure. Simply put, blockchain is the technology that safely records digital money transactions without needing a bank. A simple way to understand blockchain is to imagine a public Google Sheet. Everyone can see the information, and no single person can secretly change it. Traditional systems are centralized, controlled by one authority. Decentralized systems distribute control across a network. One relies on trust in institutions. The other relies on code. Centralized means one company or authority is in control. For example, banks and mobile money are centralized because one company controls the system and your account. Decentralized means no single person or company is in control. Cryptocurrency systems are decentralized, meaning many computers around the world run the network together. This gives users more control, fewer restrictions, and reduces the risk of shutdowns or unfair blocking. Crypto is often misunderstood as a scam or a shortcut to wealth. While scams exist, the technology itself is real and long-term. Education is what separates users from victims. Many people think crypto is only for scams or criminals, but that is not true. Crypto is just a technology like the internet. Others think crypto is only for getting rich quickly, which is risky thinking. Some believe crypto is completely anonymous, but most transactions are actually public on the blockchain. Crypto is not magic money. It is a tool, and how you use it determines the outcome. The most important mindset is simple: education before profit. Understanding protects you far more than excitement ever will. Before using crypto, mindset and safety are very important. Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Always move slowly, start small, and only use money you can afford to lose. Never share your secret recovery words with anyone. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. In crypto, being patient and careful protects your money more than rushing for profits. In this module, you learned what digital assets are, why crypto exists, how blockchain works, and how decentralized systems differ from traditional ones. In the next module, we'll break down how cryptocurrency actually works. Continue the masterclass and learn step by step. Like, share, and subscribe to keep updated. Till we talk next time, be safe.